close to me. Eternal PTSD. I got a voice on inside of my head. I made it on my own, they said I'd be in jail. I've seen my brothers fall over and over again. Those are close to me. I got PTSD.
Always hear bangs like Kiki. Always yelling names, that's PTs. My mind and my instinct shooting at the same time, we was in sync. Same thing, trying to repeat. We was getting whipped right back on the enemies. My last hit, I was in the middle seat. Get out the sunroof, Brody got a quick release. We in the car real fast with police. Trying to stride back like fast in the street. When I bought a 40 short, bring it in, take me more than they call it. They can't get from me. Lot of warfare, 17, had a 50 D's. Strong niggas, so you know they want to kill a G. Posted in the hood with some Billy Keys. Rock dash, show them what it really mean. I can't sleep cause it's a war zone in my head. My killers good, they know I'm hands on with the bread. $1 million ahead, I'm still angry.